Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will guide you through the Freshchat WhatsApp integration in 2025. If you're looking to connect WhatsApp with Freshchat to manage customers' conversations seamlessly and automate responses, this video is for you. So what is this website and why integrate with WhatsApp? So here guys, the Freshchat is a powerful customer messaging and chatbot platform designed to improve customer support and engagement by integrating it with WhatsApp. So here guys, you can centralize customers messaging, so manage WhatsApp chats and directly from the website Freshchat. So you can automate responses here. You can use chatbots to handle frequently asked questions and customer queries. You can improve response time and boost conversation. So this integration is essential for businesses looking to enhance their customer services and sales process. So the requirements for integration is before setting up the integration, ensure you have the following Freshchat account with access to messaging APIs, a WhatsApp business API number. So this is approved via Meta or 360 dialog. And then if you don't have a WhatsApp business API, you can watch another tutorial for that. And on connecting WhatsApp to Freshchat guys. So to integrate WhatsApp with Freshchat, you can log into Freshchat admin dashboard, and there you can navigate to settings and then integrations. So there you can click WhatsApp and then select your WhatsApp business API provider, and then right after that one guys, you just need to enter your credentials, your API, which is your phone number or your API key, and then you can click connect and complete the verification process. And once connected guys, you will start receiving WhatsApp messages in the Freshchat. So in configuring automated responses and chatbots, you can set up automated chatbot to handle WhatsApp inquiries. So in the Freshchat dashboard, you can see there a bots and workflows. So there you can create new bot and select WhatsApp as the channel guys. And there you can define chatbot triggers such as welcome message, quick replies, lead qualification. So here in the lead qualification guys, you just need to collect customers details before assigning them to an agent, and then click save and activate to launch your chatbot. So your chatbot will now handle basic inquiries automatically. So here guys, on ensuring smooth customer communication, you can set up live chat routing. So there you can explore on your settings and then look for assignment and routing in Freshchat. There you can set up agent groups just like sales, support, and then the billing. Then you can define routing rules based on keywords or message types. Then enable auto assignment to distribute chat among available agents. And with this, the customer's queries will be handled efficiently. And testing the WhatsApp integration, you can send a message from your WhatsApp business number and then check if the message appears in Freshchat inbox. And then verify chatbot responses and escalation to a live agent. So here, the testing will ensure everything runs smoothly before going live. And here you can track performance and analytics. You have there your analytics option, and you can also have troubleshooting. And that's it for the Freshchat WhatsApp integration tutorial 2025. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.